Hey everybody, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. This lecture is called the final, and might I add, very beautiful, WordPress website you're going to be building. Check it out. Alright, so this is the final WordPress website. This is fully coded, fully designed, everything's implemented. This is exactly what you see on the screen is what you're going to be building throughout the entire course. So you're actually going to be able to build this. So this is the home page. Right here we have a nice big header graphic here with some cool design elements, the title of the website, a few price tags, I guess you can call them, a couple buttons. This subscribe button is going to pop down a modal window where you can subscribe to the mailing list and get a discount or whatever it is that you want to send your subscribers. And then we have just a few sections here. All of these, looks just like normal text, but this is all fully implemented in the WordPress backend, and I'll show you that momentarily. So this is all easily editable via the WordPress content management system. All of this text here, plus the graphics. Some more fun stuff. Cool parallax effect in the background there, as you can see. We're going to be building that as well. Just a big picture of me looking funny. And some testimonials right here that are also dynamic. And you can add them individually using WordPress. So you can have as many testimonials as you want. And at the bottom, we have a big, nice, sexy call to action with, again, a parallax background and a button that will take you to wherever you want that to go. We have a blog section, which is WordPress, the strength of WordPress, the blogging platform. So here we have our custom designed and developed blog with our excerpts. As you can see here, I only have a couple. Again, these are actual blog posts with random text, but it's actually added using WordPress. If you click on the post, you'll go into the full post, and then there's comments at the bottom. These are actual WordPress comments. You can click on these, reply. You can leave a reply down at the bottom. You can also click on the individual categories or tags, and that will take you to the category or tag template, again, which you're going to be coding. So this is the coding category. It shows you the posts under coding. If I were to click on a tag like WordPress tutorial, it will take me to the WordPress tutorial template, showing me the individual blog posts tagged with WordPress tutorial. Resources. This is just a page, an inside page for this website, and we're just displaying the resources that you could find useful. Obviously, I'm putting the ones that I find useful, and they're also just kind of examples, but they are incredibly useful. JustHost, Coda, and Dropbox. But that's besides the point. These are dynamic and are editable and addable, if that's even a word, via WordPress. Again, I'll show you in a little bit. And then we have a contact page with a contact form. Very simple, but very useful. And you can add your information here, click get in touch, and you'll send an email. All right, so let's take a little look at the back end of the website. All right, here is our WordPress dashboard. Comes with the WordPress software for free. And here is our sidebar with all the information and stuff that we can add and edit to the website. So we have our posts. That's if we want to add blog posts. Media. That's if you're adding pictures and images in your blog posts and such. Pages. This would be like the resources or contact page, or for example, the home and blog page as well, which we'll dive into when we get into the course. Comments. You can manage your comments. Testimonials. This is a custom post that we are going to add to our WordPress dashboard. So this doesn't come natively with WordPress. We added this ourselves. So we can add a testimonial. And you can see here, these are the testimonials. If I click in here, I could see the testimonial title, the information like the actual quote itself, and the featured image with the graphic of the person or the headshot. So that's testimonials. Resources, same thing. We can add individual resources, and they will all pull in dynamically on our resources page. Here we have Dropbox, Coda, and JustHost. This is what it looks like when you go in. Got the title of the resource. We have the little blurb, and down here we have the button text and the link that we want the resource to link to, and that all dynamically generates. Same with our feature image over here. Course features. This is on the home page where we have the little course features that tells you about, what's so great about this specific course. Obviously, this is an example website, and I'm basically building the course website, and you're going to be building it as well. But you can use these tricks and these tips to build your own website so that you can add your own custom sidebars and everything like that. So these are just examples. Accessible content on your mobile devices. So you can see here, it just has room for a text field. So one of the features, and course feature icons. Choose the icon you'd like to display. So device, instructor, calendar, watch, computer, so on and so forth. This is all custom developed in WordPress. And this chooses the icon that will display above the feature. Really super cool. Contact. This is our contact form. We're using the Contact Form 7 plugin, which we will get into a little further in the course. Appearance. Here is our custom theme, the Bootstrap to WordPress theme that we will build. And you can utilize the WordPress Customize feature. And you could basically edit your site title and tagline, which will show up right here. The logo, so this logo up here, you can change that logo. And these other things don't necessarily work because we have pretty dynamic backgrounds. We have different textures and stuff. So these don't really matter for this course. Navigation, we could choose the menus for a primary menu, which is up here. And at the very bottom, we have a footer menu down here. And so we'll get into how to use the menus and stuff in the course as well. Widgets and all that sort of stuff we'll also get into later. So that is our full WordPress website, and we're utilizing really, really cool features like custom fields, custom post types. We're dynamically generating testimonials and resources, our blog posts. It's really, really cool, and you can pretty much build anything that you want knowing these skills. Any website with certain functionalities, specific functionalities, you could build that with WordPress. That's how powerful it is. And that's why I want to teach you this course. Also, I'm very excited about it. So why don't we jump into the next lecture and see where we can go from there.